Hi, this is a walk around video and cold start video of our 1991 BMW E30 M3. This is the last year of production for the E30 M3, and I'd like to show you this car, which is in remarkable condition. And it has a few reversible modifications done by its two previous owners, which were active members of the BMW Car Club of America. And like I said, this car was literally babied by them, and so I wanted to show you the condition of the car, and I'll try to point out any flaws that I have been able to find since I got this car. First of all, the paint, it is in awesome condition. I mean, I can find any scratches or dents anywhere on the car. No scratches and no dents. I hope I can catch the quality of the paint that still remains on this car through the video. It has a Evo front splitter. The front splitter has a couple of areas where you can see it has been touched up, probably small chips and stuff, but the grille is in perfect condition. The wheels are BVS wheels that have been color coded to the body of the car, and we did brand new Firestone Firehawk 500 tires. They're very sticky tires. If you look them up on the TireRack.com, look at their reviews for these tires. People love them, both for durability and performance. They're really nice tires. What else? So the car has, as of course you've seen, it has these M Motorsports style stripes. There is not a paint job. It is there's just decals that have been clear coated over. So the gloss of these, what you see right here, that's just a fogging. You see there, it's pretty humid here, so you see fogging. It's not fading. The entire paint job is really glossy. All of this is fogging. See on the wing, so don't worry about that. Like I was saying, on the stripes, they have been clear coated over, so that you don't feel any transition from the factory paint job and the stripes. Look at the level of detail, the lot of work that went on to doing this job. Somebody spent a lot of money on this, and again, it was a show car that was displayed at many BMW Car Club events. This car has zero rust, and it has no accidents, so it still retains its factory serial match, serial stamped tags everywhere. Doors, trunk, fenders, everywhere. And I'll show them to you as we go along. Let me pop the hood so you can look under it. So what we did to this car once we received it, it had not been driven much, so we did a full reconditioning process to make sure that the car performs the way it's supposed to. We do that with everything that we get. We understand that some of these cars might not become daily drivers. People will like to probably keep them for a Cars and Coffee event and that sort of thing. But it doesn't matter to us, because we still want the car to perform the way it's supposed to, whether you want to take it to a show or daily drive it, or even have fun at the track here and there, you know. So another modification that the previous owner did is the he powder coated the intake plenum and the valve cover for the 16 valve 4-cylinder motor. It's a really nice job. I'm sure he spent a good deal of money on it, because there is no sign whatsoever of any peeling or bubbling or any sort. It is glossy, and obviously they use good quality materials for it to last a long time. That's the factory hood cover, hood liner, sorry. Going into, speaking of details, look at the level of detail on those stripes. They went down to the windshield wiper, and oh, also here's a tag for the fender. Okay, so the detail, I want to show you this. This must have taken a long time to get it done. Do it the right way. Look, they stripped the whole car down just to do this. There's a little imperfection here. It looks like it's the decal came off here, okay, around the windshield wiper. But there's not many flaws that I can find. Going to lower the hood. Okay, let me show you. Oh, let me open this door so you can see it from here. The seats are in remarkable condition. They're spotless. You see no wear on even on the driver's side. The heavy bolster seat, there's no wear whatsoever. Again, it has these little stripes, M Motorsport stripes, which you can remove. I mean, they're removable, and but I think personally, it's just my opinion, it adds a little character to the interior and kind of matches the outside without being too tacky. Here's another vent tag for the passenger door, and let me show you the trunk. Okay. Oh, by the way, that's the rear shelf with the factory speakers in really nice shape. There's no sunburn or cracking of any sort. You still have the BMW tags like this one here, and if you open this little toolbox, there's a vent tag right here for the trunk. It is missing, the toolbox is missing, I want to say this one, this adapter right here, and this, I think this was probably for the lug nuts perhaps, so that one is missing. What else? Oh, let's see, the carpet in the trunk is nice and clean. Okay, there's no marks, scuffs or any sort. Let me show you here underneath this. That's the spare tire. Okay, still in place. And let's see if we can speaking of modifications, that's a super sprint exhaust, full stainless steel super sprint exhaust along the whole car. It also comes with the H pipes, and but those are not installed. They come with the car in case you want to install them. And let's see if we can fire it up. I rolled the car down from there because I wanted to get it on the light, but the engine is cold. It hasn't started in about a week. Let me confirm this. So engine is cold. It hasn't started in a long time. I'll say about probably 8 days. Okay, it's nice and cold. Let's see. Wish me luck. Let's see if I can start it. Oh yeah, started right away. And by the way, the air conditioning, something else that we did to this car, we redid the whole air conditioning. Brand new air compressor, hoses, evaporator, condenser, and everything that we've done to the car regarding any maintenance has been done with BMW factory parts, and we have the receipts to show for that. Nice and cold. I mean, if somebody wanted a cool daily driver, you could drive this every day comfortably. We did I don't know if I mentioned it before, but if anything we did the front bushings. We did shifter bushings for the transmission. Of course, the oil change with filter, the brake flush. We reconditioned the sunroof. It was working okay. It wasn't going smoothly, so we changed the two cables that operate the system using OEM parts, everything through BMW, and lubricated so it works perfectly fine, as the way it's supposed to. And man, the AC, I mean, we redid the whole AC system. That wasn't cheap. That's several thousand of dollars, but you know that now you have a AC for this car will be good for the next 20 years because it took a lot of work. A lot of the parts for this E30 M3 are not interchangeable, and we learned it the hard way. The AC parts are not interchangeable with all the E30, so we had to ship a special order all these parts from BMW Germany. Also, this car has by the way, Alcantara steering wheel from M Technique. It matches the handbrake and the shifter. Headliner, it's in really nice shape. It's not sagging at all. It's nice and clean. And of course, the dash, it doesn't have any cracks whatsoever. No imperfections on the dash. Door panels, nice and clean. This part, I've seen it on all BMWs from this era. This part is a different plastic than this. This is more like vinyl. This is like hard plastic. It ages differently, so that's why you see the color difference. But other than that, I mean, it's really clean. The door sills, look at the door sills, no scratches. When people go in and out, a lot of times these things get scratched and banged up. Nothing. It's nice and clean. Factory tags right there. I want to make sure I point any flaws that I see. I don't know if I mentioned this. The front splitter has a couple little touch-up areas where somebody has touched it up, probably due to little chips on the road. But other than that, is a really nice car. So I'm gonna do a separate video to show how it drives, and hopefully you enjoy it. So thanks again for watching all our videos, and we'll see you soon.